Hello guys again, my name is Andrew of course, and today we have this product for unboxing and review, and this is the TP-Link 300 Mbps wireless and router model TL-WR841N. We've got a 300 Mbps wireless speed, 5 decibel antennas, IPTV router with access point mode. Okay. Smartphone, tablet, laptop, game console, desktop, whatever you need. One port, LAN ports, and everything is here with the antennas. Quick everyday Wi-Fi, personalized security, easy installation, more than a router. Oh, let's open it. See what we have inside. Inside is the TP-Link router. This is the version 14.1. hardware version. We have the guide, quick access guide, the adapter. This is a 9 volt 0.6 amp adapter, the typical Ethernet cable. There it is, the large antennas that it will help you to have a better signal, Wi-Fi signal. 3 LED lights. We have the reset button, 4 LAN, 1 and the power in for the adapter. Okay, let's connect it to see how it looks. And here we are. Just plug it on the wall. Let's power it on. Lights are blinking. Let's connect the one. And we can plug one of my PC. And of course you can plug all your wireless devices. Into the box here it says Tether lets you manage your network settings with your smartphone. Scan QR code, download TP-Link Tether from the App Store and the Google Play. QR code, it will help you. And here it is. You can manage and from your laptop and from your PC. You can manage to change your password, your admin, everything you can do from your laptop and PC. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Subscribe, share this video, hit the notification bell. More videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.